One final ahead of iPhone 15 launch in detail and Apple upgrade to the camera have leaked, while all power models will pick up new hardware such as the iPhone 15, 15 Plus Model 2, a 48 megapixel sensor, and a new telephoto and ultra lenses for the iPhone 15 Pro. There is significant upgrade for the top-end flagship. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is doubling the optical zoom. The iPhone 15 Pro model will continue to have three cameras, including a 48 megapixel sensor. There are new telephoto ultra lenses with more megapixel than in last year's Pro sensor, and the company is planning to tout the enhancement in the Premier editions and the earphones. The biggest camera upgrade will come exclusive to iPhone 15 Pro Max, an updated telephoto system with enhanced hardware zoom capabilities. This will double the iPhone ability to zoom into the images with the physical lens itself, raising software from 3x magnification to around 6x. And Apple prepared to launch its four new phones. Those who are having for the smaller and more compact iPhones are going to face up to Apple Lake upload for the later iPhone.